Hi guys, the camera's just blurring up, so just give it a second. I don't know why that's doing that. It's just gone all blurry. See if I can, there we go. I just wanted to say that Yoda is currently sat on one of these here. These are what I got from eBay. They're just, showed you before my videos, but he's just sat there at the moment. Just wanted to get a view of him from the back, see what he's doing at the back, and then just get a view of him and what he's doing. I'm going to leave that camera there while I just go around here. Yeah, he will fly off, but he will come back also. Now he's gone up there. I'm just trying to get him down, bear with me. He will come down. I will get him back down. You just have to bear with me while I do that. You can hear him chirping along there, but he will come back. And there you go. Yeah, just camera. There you go. Sorry about that. There you go. I'm going to hold that because the parrot's moving the cage a lot. Parrot's just coming down at the side there. Tell me how the audio is, guys. I'd really appreciate if you told me. I'm just going to put some camera shots of the budgie as well, if I can, on this camera, so bear with me while I move it. So I can see to get a picture of the budgie for you, closer. Hold on while I just... sort out my device here.